This time, I wanted to give my mom something different without her consent.
Can you see the back? Can you see the back? Can you see the back, Mom?
Yes, I did.
You saw all of the back?
Yeah.
Stand up and look at it.
Girl, I gotta go to the doctor. You forgot?
No. Be careful. Be careful, because that footrest. Oh. Get close. Get close to the mirror.
Sleepy.
Aww. All of y'all still jet lagged.
Oh, you changed the color.
It's super cute. I love it.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Kamora came over to the boat. She said, Granny got purple? I said, shh, it's not purple.
It's not purple.
It's not purple.
It's rose gold.
So I used the orange one from Joy Clark. I didn't use the rose gold.
Really?
Because it was looking similar.
Turns out that my mom actually loved her color. Ladies, what would you do if your stylist gave you some color or a style without your consent? Let me know.